But yes, remember that at 10:30 a.m. in the morning, this call was received with regards to unattended bag, following the SOP, a team of the NSG, a team of the Special Cell at the Delhi Police, and a bomb disposal squad, along with the fire tenders, were also rushed to the spot. And remember that this is following which a controlled explosion by the bomb disposal squad was done in order to dispose of this IED, the improvised explosive device. And now a FSL team has reached the spot. An NSG team was also there, which has left because remember the NSG statement has also come in that the chemical examination of this IED, the pieces of this IED would be taking place as to know as to what was the chemical component used in order to basically assemble this IED. And now the FSL team is also on the spot. The forensic team is there on the spot, which would be looking at the chemical components. They would be also doing chemical tests here, and with their equipments they would be analyzing the whole area, which would also be cordoning off. The cordoning off operations, the sanitization operations continue as we bring you live pictures. My video journalist Manish is showing you exactly the live pictures, what is happening at the spot. The FSL team is investigating the whole area. It would be seeing the IED as well. They would be seeing as to what was the nature of this IED, how was it assembled, and what was the trigger for this IED, and what kind of an explosive was this which was used, and what kind of damage it could have done. That would only be clear after a chemical examination is done, only after the FSL completes its search and operation here. We would be seeing a report coming into a day or two with regards to what kind of explosion was this, what kind of explosive device was this, and how much damage it could have caused. Because remember when we were reporting from here, and when this controlled explosion was done, even after being a controlled explosion, the thud was massive. The sounds were scary, and we should remember that if that could have happened in an uncontrolled environment, if it would have happened, because remember Ghazipur is a very, very crowded market of the national capital, one of the busiest market in fact of the national capital. And such a thing, if it would have been on a crowded place, that it could have caused more damage. However, with the successful operation of the Delhi Police along with the NSG and the special cell at the Delhi Police, this has been prevented, and after a controlled explosion, the IED has been disposed of. And now the further examination, the further investigation is going on. And remember that the Delhi Police's special cell would also be looking into the terror angle as to who was behind this blast, who were the people involved, who left this bag here, and which would follow on later. But however, for now on, the cordon off, the sanitization operations continue, and the FSL team is now examining the whole spot. As you can see the pictures, the FSL team is speaking to the officers of the special cell, who were the first ones to reach here, who were examining the whole area, and the whole situation is being told to the FSL team. They would then be going into the spot where this whole big dug was created in order to do a controlled explosion. And now the FSL would be looking into the chemical aspect, into the scientific aspect of this, and they would be looking into as to what actually led to this blast, to what were the components, and what exactly had happened here. Back to you.
Absolutely. You know, what we'll do is, as we keep up with these visuals, latest visuals coming in from the spot wherein the forensic team can be seen conducting its investigations. Ananya, let's break down the timeline once again for viewers just tuning in. We are being told that the call was first received at close to 10:30 a.m. And as per the Delhi Police Commissioner, the bomb was defused around 1:40 p.m. So what is it that happened first up, and the duration between 10:30 to 1:40, what was really going on? Tell us about the incident at large.
Well, yes, a call was received with regards to unattended bag at around 10:30 a.m. in the morning, following which a team of the special cell, a team of the NSG, and the other officials of the Delhi Police, and along with the bomb disposal squad, and in fact a fire brigade also was rushed to the spot, because remember that these are the standard operating procedures when such a call is received. So after which the team of the bomb disposal squad reached the spot. The whole area in fact where this bomb was found was put under the supervision of the Delhi Police. There were markings done with regards to the bag, and then using a TCV, that is that is a total control vessel which is used in order to do a controlled explosion. First, the whole unattended bag and the IED was picked up through a remote controlled vehicle, that is a RCV, and which then took up this IED containing bag into the TCV, that is the total control vessel, and then following which a whole big 8 feet dug was created in order to put this ID there. Then that 8 feet dug was filled with mud, following which an explosion controlled explosion was done at around 140 in order to dispose of this IED. The whole procedure took around 2.5 to 3 hours in order to complete it, and now the FSL team finally has reached the spot, which would now be looking into the chemical operations or also the scientific nature as to what was this IED, what was its trigger, how did it function, and most importantly, what chemical was used in order to trigger this blast, and what damage could this chemical would have done if at all it would have happened at a crowded place. Back to you.
So the market was vacated, and as Ananya is pointing out, the area was cordoned off within minutes of learning about the bomb threat. And as per the details we are picking up, the bag was then put into a total containment vessel via remote operated vehicle before the bomb disposal squad of the NSG arrived. Now, the NSG has also come out with a statement, details of the same that we are breaking down. The Ghazipur market in particular is an area of concern because it's located in the middle of a residential area. It's usually crowded on regular days, today being a Friday, so of course comes with it a huge threat. A security alert with this has been sounded off in the national capital, because remember, we're just 12 days away from Republic Day celebrations, and the Delhi Police Commissioner Rakesh Asthana has confirmed that the bag indeed contained an ID. It was successfully defused by the bomb disposal squad. And the NSG, in fact, carried out the controlled blast after cordoning of the area. The NSG statements read very carefully, Ananya, that now they're going to be looking at the chemical component of the explosive. What is it that the bomb disposal squad essentially followed? What drill was carried out when they first got to know about the bomb threat?
But yes, when a bomb threat is basically reported, then a team of the special cell is rushed in, because remember that the special cell unit of the Delhi police is basically involved in counter-insurgency and terrorism operations, and the first of all, a team of special cell was roped in. Along with that, NSG team, because remember, this is the standard operating procedure that an NSG team with its bomb disposal squad, is roped in, and along with that, the officials of the Delhi police come in, and in order to prevent any, in case there is any adversities, a fire brigade is also kept as a backup on the spot. So first of all, these teams come in, they examine this, they first of all cordon off the whole area so that no damage to life and property is caused. They secure the whole area with these tapes so that people cannot enter the whole area. Then following which the bomb disposal squad went up to the IED. They saw as to what kind of fire, they saw that as to if it can be disposed of in a very fast manner or not, and then the whole procedure is followed. It is put into a TCV through a RCV, through a remote controlled vehicle. The whole IED containing bag was put into a total control vessel, because remember, these are big vessels which control the explosion. Then this whole TCV is put into a big dug, 8 feet dug that was created through a JCB, through these dugging machines into the soil, and then the whole dug is then filled with mud, which is then which is afterwards a controlled explosion is done so that no damage to life and property is caused. And successfully the NSG team along with the team of special cell has done it and controlled the whole situation. But now the further operations are going on. The FSL team is investigating its own part with regards to the chemical components, with regards to the scientific environment of this IED, as to what led to this IED, what was the whole component of this IED, and what was the main trigger as to how this blast could have been triggered. This would come out and follow up in the investigation, the FSL. Apart from that, the special cell is also the special cell team is trying to inquire as to where this bag was found, and is into the factual details of it. So the teams are working tirelessly in continuous operations, while the FSL is looking at the chemical aspect of it, the scientific aspect of it. The special cell is trying to inquire the factual details along with the officials of the Delhi Police East District, who are also at the spot assisting the team of Special Cell. Remember that DCP Special Cell Pramod Singh Kushwaha is also at the spot overseeing this whole operation that is going on. And remember, this is happening at a time when 26 January is just 12 days from now, and Delhi is definitely, being the national capital of the country, is already at high alert, and such an incident is happening, and hence more and more caution and care is being given out to this terror spot, to this operation spot, I'm sorry. And we'll have to wait and watch as to what comes out in the basically FSL examination and also the investigation that is being carried out by the special cell. Back to you.
All right. Ananya, keep up with us and keep telling us about what is it essentially that you've been able to find out so far. We'll keep a close watch on the developments coming in. Ananya, thank you for the moment. But yes, Republic breaking down details of how the IED was kept inside this bag, left by perhaps a customer. The Delhi Police Commissioner has also broken down some details. A case has been registered by the Delhi Police Special Cell under provisions of the Explosive Act.